Welcome to the session. Today, we'll discuss how to count the occurrences of a specific value in an array using JavaScript. This method involves iterating through the array and incrementing a counter for each match. Let's get started. The problem is straightforward. We need to count how many times a given value appears in the array. For instance, in 112123, the value 1 appears 3 times. This function leverages the reduce method, which iterates through the array. For every element, it checks if it matches the target value and increments the accumulator accordingly. The accumulator starts at 0, and by the end of the iteration contains the total count of the target value. The function begins by initializing the counter to 0. As it iterates through the array, it checks if each element matches the target value. If a match is found, the counter is incremented. Once the iteration is complete, the counter holds the total count of the specified value. In this example analysis, you can see how the function matches the target value for each test case. For example, when the target value is 1, it finds 3 matches in the array, resulting in an output of 3. This technique has practical applications in data analysis, inventory management, and even search algorithms. For example, it can be used to count the frequency of a specific keywords in a document or track the number of times a product appears in the list. To summarize, this method efficiently counts the occurrences of a value in an array using reduce. Its simplicity and versatility makes it an essential tool in data processing and analytics. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.